Hey everyone, welcome back to Go English. I am really happy you are here today. I am Sarah.
And I am Ahmed. Hey, Sarah, and hello to all our friends watching from different places around the world.
Oh wow, it is so good to see you again.
Oh, yeah, Sarah. Quick question for you. Did you get my message this morning?
Yeah, I did. I actually got it right when I woke up. First thing I saw on my phone. Oh, wait a second. Did you notice something in our conversation just now?
What is up, Sarah?
We used a really common word without even thinking about it, right? It is a word we say all the time.
Oh, I know. It is get.
Yes, get. We use it so much in everyday English.
Yeah, get a message, get home, get tired, get better. And the funny thing is, we do not even realize how often we use it.
So today we are talking about one small word, just 3 letters, G-E-T. But trust me, we use it every single day.
Every day, everywhere. You get messages, you get tired, you get home, you get it. Or sometimes you do not get it.
Yes, get is simple, very natural, and very everyday English. So don't worry. We will go slow, we will use real examples, and we will help you get it step by step.
All right, let us start. Let's learn how to use get in real, everyday English.
Ahmed, I hear the word get everywhere, but honestly, what does this word really mean?
Yeah, that's a great question. And don't worry, it's actually very simple. At the most basic level, get usually means 3 things: receive, have, or become.
Receive, have, or become. Okay, that sounds manageable.
Exactly. For example, receive. At New Year, you might say, I get a lot of messages, or I get wishes from my friends for 2026.
Oh yeah, I get so many New Year messages too. My phone just keeps buzzing.
Same here, and that is very natural English. We do not say, I receive messages in daily conversation.
Yeah, that sounds very formal. Get feels more friendly, more real, right? You can also say, I get a lot of emails, or I get a gift from a friend.
Oh yeah, like when you get a gift and you're like, wow, I didn't expect that.
Exactly. So when something comes to you, a message, an email, or a gift, get is the word English speakers love to use. Got it? Get equals receive. Simple and everyday.
All right, so we've talked about get meaning receive, and now let's move on to another very common meaning. And this one is about feelings and changes.
Ah, this is the one people are usually scared of, right?
Yeah, but it's actually very easy here. Get means become. You change into a new state.
Okay, become. That already sounds simpler.
For example, I can say I get tired after work. It means I become tired.
Oh yeah, I get tired too, especially in the evening.
Exactly. You could also say I get cold at night, or I get hungry before dinner.
That is so normal. I get cold when I sit near the window, and I get hungry really fast, right?
And get is very common with feelings too. You can say I get happy when I see my friends.
Aw, that's nice. I get happy when I hear good news.
And sometimes it's not happy. You can say I get angry when I'm tired.
Oh well, that is very real. I get angry too when I don't get enough sleep.
Same here. And at the start of a new year, some people say I get motivated or I get excited about new plans.
Yeah, especially in 2026, people talk a lot about fresh starts and new energy.
Exactly. So when something changes your body, your feeling, or your mood, get is the word we use.
So, get plus a feeling means you become that feeling. Very simple, very everyday.
That's right. No grammar stress, just real life English.
All right, we've covered some great uses of get already. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Everyday English.
We hope you got something useful from today's lesson. Keep practicing and you'll get better every day.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep smiling and keep getting better with English.